GRT's massive breakout is just getting started, which is playing out after we continued to hold within our key area of support that lies between the 0.164 and the 0.1478. And at the time of this recording, we have now managed to break above our key area of resistance above the 0.165, flipping it back into support. We have also seen a break above the 20-day MA on the 4-hour chart, flipping it back into support, and also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also give you my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might want to take a trade on GRT, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address and also a phone number. And you can see that on sign up, you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. Jumping back to the charts to now give you my breakout target areas, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, you can see that from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, where we first picked in this 1-2 setup. And after we completed the 1-2 setup, we continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we first picked in this Elliot wave count 1. And after we got our high for this Elliot wave count 1, we saw a bit of a short-term pullback in a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum pullback target areas for the second wave highlighted here on the charts, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from these lows down here in a wave 1 to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, an area that we fully maximized. And you can see that we continued to hold within the area, and at the time of this recording, we are now seeing a very nice bounce to the upside in what could be the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.2444. And for us to fully maximize that target area, we first need to see GRT give us a break above our key area of resistance above the 0.1882. And the moment we manage to break above that, flipping it back into support, maybe with a retest, then I will be expecting higher prices in a move that should easily maximize our target areas above the 0.24 in the next coming hours or maybe days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting. And in case of any sudden pullbacks, then we need to continue watching for support above the 0.165. And on losing that, then we can expect a short-term pullback into this target area over here. And as long as we are holding within the area, there's a chance of another bounce back. And on the worst case scenario, in case we get any sudden pullbacks, losing our target area over here, then that will be suggesting a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. On the long term, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started a very impulsive movement to the upside that peaked above the 0.4947, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a bit of a short-term pullback in a larger Elliot wave count 2 over here, fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we have also seen a break to the upper side of this descending trend line, which is an indication that we have started to see a change of structure of this downward movement, which is the first indication that in the next coming days, we might start that impulsive movement to the upside in a larger Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in this Elliot wave count 5. That should easily take us back above the dollar mark in the next coming weeks or maybe months. So that is all I'm expecting here on the GRT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.